Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer for Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos that help you wire and configure our WorldDrive N700e chassis VFD. In this video, we will show you how to wire a 0 to 10 volt signal into the WD N700e drive. We can control the N700e using a 0 to 10 volt potentiometer. To wire this into the drive, we will use terminals H, O, and L. Terminal H is your 10 volts out to your potentiometer. Terminal L is your common or your 0 volt. And O is the feedback from your potentiometer to the drive for speed control. Now we are wired for a 0 to 10 volt speed potentiometer. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.